Welcome to Jas Graphic. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell so you get notified when I drop a new video.
Okay guys, into today's video I will be teaching you how you can actually activate 50 gig of airtime on MTN daily. This data is actually valid daily. So if you want to learn this, guys, all I need you to do is this: watch this video from very start to the end of it, follow the same principle or the same steps that I took here, and definitely you will be able to activate your 50 gig worth of data on your MTN SIM card for free. You are not paying dime for this. So stay tuned and watch this video from very start to the end of it. Thank you. Okay guys, so into today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can activate or how you can get 50 gig free from your MTN line. So the application I'll be using is this. So once you open this application, mind you, if you have downloaded or you have this app before, for you to be able to get this plan, you must log in. You must log out then and log in with a new phone number, like a phone number that has not been registered with this app before. Then to do that, you click on Let's Get Started. They see that then first you need to log in with a Google account. So click on Google account. Let's wait for this to load, guys. So at this point, if you are new, I'm begging you subscribe, turn on a notification sign so you don't miss amazing videos like this. So you select any Google account of your choice. So I have selected, so let me see what will happen here. With phone number, so I'll be using 0. So I will use 09067251497. Good. Then after that you click on continue. Then a message will be sent. So here's the message. It has been sent to my phone. So let me bring in the message. So that's 94. Sorry. So that's 94439255. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait. You see that? So you click on I agree. Now Chibueze, yeah, that's my name. So you click on continue. Then you are doing great. Now you input the mail. So the mail I use is okay. So this is the mail. Then you click on continue. You can select any color of your choice. Then click on continue, guys. Watch and see the magic, guys. Just watch and see the magic. So let's wait here. Next, then next, just be finished. Good. Then after that, guys, let us watch and see what we have. Can you see you have been offered 50 gig free data for downloading MTN app? So click here to activate. You click here to activate. Do you see that? So this is actually the easiest way by which you can actually get this done. So do you see that, guys? Thank you, and please subscribe for more videos like this to pop up. Thank you, and bye bye for now, guys.